Here we are, moving through. We have cargo being loaded. Oh! Drops out. Fresh Tech trying to load cargo. In 3941, trying to move cargo over. And Lambdacor is trying to put it in the cargo. And 2 cargo loads for the blue line. And 1 cargo loaded for the red line. It is the Lumberjack Robotics trying to get their cargo loaded. 2988, trying to get panel. And here we are, Fresh Tech loads for the cargo. Lambdacor trying to finish out the stride on cargo. That's right, on this side. And we now have
No more cargo get.
4 cargo for red, and 5 cargo for blue, 6 cargo pieces for blue. And the red line's back in there, Fresh Tech loading up the cargo. Here goes the Lumberjack loading up cargo. 6504 coming around with a panel off for the rocket. Can they get that panel loaded? And we're trying to load cargo in the rocket stand. Can we get it in? Here we are. Loaded. There it goes. It's in. Lumberjack's loaded. Here we go. We're down to 30 seconds. Who's going to climb? Who's not? On this back. It can come down to this level of support. We're running into. Here we go. The Lumberjacks are going for a level 2 climb this time. And so is 2988. Level 2 climb 4. 3941 and Lambdacor is trying